Welcome back to the channel, guys. So Leviticus 20 verse 13 says, if a man lieth with a man, as he would lie with a woman, it's an abomination, and he shall surely be put to death, and his death is upon him. You understand? The Bible also said, women should leave your parents' house and take unto yourself a husband, or a vice versa. But that's some man and woman thing it said. You understand? It says, in the Garden of Eden there was Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. You understand what I say? Not Eve and Yvette. You understand? Not Brittany and Bev. When you get to me I say, so peeps, based on my knowledge, same-sex marriage and homosexuality is illegal in Jamaica. You understand? And same-sex, whether it is 2 man or 2 woman, is supposed to be illegal. But me come across something I know where I said 2 girls got married in Jamaica recently. Who performed a service there? Me no know because it's supposed to, so even if the ceremony went on, that marriage should be annulled. Because there's no legal jurisdiction in Jamaica for that to happen. So what is the situation with that? If anybody have any updated info, please feel free to tell me in the comment section down there below, because me I wonder how I go on, Jamaica, how I really go on. Yo, hear me I say, man, me so far. After I read the article, you know, I'm just curious. So I link some of my colleagues, you understand, experienced ladies, married women, and I ask them a question. Some of them say, yo, but well, them say, yo, same-sex marriage is illegal. So they were just confirming what I knew, but I'm never sure anymore. But you understand what I say? So I ask them a question. Some of them say, oh, buggery is illegal in the country. You understand? And you can get 10 to 15 years if you are found guilty of the buggery act. You understand what I say? So I say, how is it then, girl and girl, there's no law where anybody ever get locked up for that? See, them I say, yo, no penetration, no go on, and a bag of something. So I say, cause I want to look a loophole at the thing in it. Look at it. See, you never hear say a woman get arrested and charged for having sex with the next woman. You understand? But if a man is found guilty of having sex with the next male, and it can be proven, or it is proven, he's probably going to be charged. You understand what I say? So you are going on. Them say the wedding go on. They say woman weds woman in Jamaica. Yeah? Jamaica land we love. Eternal Father bless our land. The Jamaica there. I must watch it. It says here it was a sea of blue and white. One of my friends said they want some blue steel, but we're not getting into that. It was a sea of blue and white over the weekend as 2 women, W-O-M-E-N, women, tied the knot near a beach on the island of Jamaica. How the tsunami did them, man? I'm gone still. The bride, 2 women, so then 2 bride, I'm confused. The bride who is supposedly from Canada. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Met her future bride in Jamaica years ago. Right now, boy, I'm not even feel like more done that video, you know, because it irritates my spirit, you know. Big man thing. She then decided to make her long-term relation what? Official and wedded her one and only love who resides in Jamaica. The color theme was all blue, and as you can see from the pictures, I'll show you some of the picture them of their nuptials below. The champagne was also liquid blue. No one is sure where in Jamaica this same-sex marriage took place, but a number of guests were in attendance in support of the happy couple. I don't know if you say, like, when you tell me what you say, I don't know, you know, see. Like, I don't know what it say. I don't know what you say. Yo, that's how you think I go, you know. One after the other. But as me I said, that wedding there can't be legal because the whole act is illegal. You understand what I say? And which marriage officer would have performed that ceremony knowing say it's illegal. But I suppose the money run the world down. But I don't think there's no legality in that. So basically them spend some money and floss and endorse and them just do them thing. Because I don't think that is legally binding. You understand? Based on Jamaica's laws. See? So the truth of the matter is, you know, whether we want to accept it or not, you know, homosexuality is deeply rooted in our country. You understand what I say? You know, say, me personally, I am very homophobic. So let me get that out of the way still. But I don't incite violence against someone. You see, as long as a boy and bring film thing to me, you see all them boys we just up a go dance and make man wind up on them. You see the two people who do that already, them dead. I not say persons of different sexual orientation should die. I not say that. But what I say is you have to keep on yourself to yourself. See? A recent report from the Ministry of Health and one next agency is saying that the leading social group that is proliferating the spread of HIV are men who have sex with men. See? That's not surprising, you know. But some of them man, them is not just homosexual, them is bisexual. So them go play in a toilet and then them have sex with some girls. Some of the girls are unsuspected and them don't know what go on and protected sex. You understand what I say? So at them help inoculate and yo, well, I don't know still. But them plenty. See, both sides. You understand what I say? And nobody not really kill them, you know. Them kill them one another because they're very jealous, you know. You see me? So, but we can't, this is becoming louder than louder. You see me? Everywhere you go now, you see them. The movie theater, the parks, the party, the everywhere. You understand what I say? And them have some big bucket more time, you know. You understand? Because some people you think not involved in them thing there, we have power and heavy hitters in the country. About them. You understand what I say? So you have to be careful to a road. But me don't like it still. Me personally don't like it. You understand what I say? I know people are going to burn me out and I want to say, yo, I'm a homophobe and yeah, I am. I mean, I apologize for that. You understand? So if you don't like that, just go on my next channel. I just do some of my thing there. You understand what I mean? As I say, God make Adam and Eve. God never make Adam and Steve. He never make Eve and Eve. You understand? That's some of my thing there. Zane. The Bible says, go forth and multiply. How them I go multiply? Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.